Hi, little lady. It's Zilla. Do you want to say hi to Ernie? Well, and it looks like Wallingford is there too. Hi, Wallingford. Going to say good morning? What? Saying hi to everybody? I know that Tom Singleton thinks you're super cute. Yeah. Hey, we got a very snowy day today, don't we? Woke up, we have snow. Yeah. It's snowing pretty good. What do you think about that? Not too much? Well, Zilla came running out earlier when I went outside. She came out with me for about 2 minutes. She had to come see what it was all about. Didn't ya? I bet Orange Kitty is not going to be coming over today. What do you think? Do you think he'll be showing up? Well, it's just driving on me. Gonna make me fall over? Little lady? The claw. She got me with the claw. She's trying to climb on me. Help. Ooh. It's cold outside. I was out there for a little bit, and it's nice and toasty inside. Wallingford didn't get anything. I gave him a treat earlier, so he's probably sad that I am giving Zilla something and not him, but he's restricted on his diet. But Zilla is not. Well, she is picky, and then she can have other stuff. It's different. Wallingford. It's a real quiet morning. Sunday morning. Kind of early still. People kind of sleep in a little bit on Sunday to relax. So I'm trying to be extra quiet. Stella hasn't gotten breakfast yet, so she's anticipating Susie coming downstairs. And I bet Wallingford is too. They have to wait. Oh, I can hear Susie. She's coming. That's gonna make some kitties very, very happy. Very happy. Yep, moving a little faster.
You
Morning.
see how pretty it is?
I know. It's really awesome. Kitties have been wanting to get some kitty food.
Of course. Even though I got up to it this morning and gave me some already.
Oh, wanting for her to can barely wait. Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Zilla acts all nonchalant over here. I'm wanting for he gets more temperamental, runs around. Usually does a few meows. She's ready too. Oh, it's not coming down as hard now. Bird's ready. There's that meow. Oh, little squeaks. Getting so excited. His little mouth was wide open when he was meowing. He got it real good. Get a real good view of his mouth.
Still smelling.
Yeah.
See how
It's
cute
not really
he
sticking
is.
so much, so
I don't know. Look at that.
like huge.
Ravenous. So hungry. Wallingford is called the Hoover, like a little Hoover vacuum cleaner. Just sucks it in. He doesn't even taste it. Zilla is a little bit slower of an eater.
I have already put it in the freezer.
Yeah, then we can bring it back out for sloppy joes. That would be acceptable.
Gotta clean that bowl really good. Oh, and check and see if Zilla is gonna save him any. It's Wallingford's job to finish off what Zilla doesn't eat. He's really trying to make it last. Patiently waiting.
You just do,
That's neat.
thank you. Oh, she's some kind of treat. What here? Thank you.
Score.
There's hot water for Donna. Sounds like she just got up.
Score. Wallingford got it. He will get every last morsel. Oh, he loves to eat. He loves to eat. Oh, Oh my gosh, he gets an extra treat? How did that happen? He must have been a very good boy. That was good, huh? You're a good boy. Oh, Susie's using the kitty cup today. Zilla eats much slower. Makes Wallingford watch her eat. She loves to do that.
Oh, God.
Still found one crumb. I could see it. There are like 2 little crumbs in there. Go get them. Good boy. Yeah, you're so good at cleaning the bowl. Everybody's proud of you for that. I know how good you are at cleaning the bowls. Yes. But now, oh, lucky boy. Oh my goodness. Raining treats. Yay. It's a good morning when it rains treats. Zilla runs off. She's going to probably go sit in her chair and take a nap. Wallingford checks the bowls one last time. He's going to make sure it's clean. Yeah. Yeah, you'll make sure it's all clean, won't you? Good boy. Yes, he will. I know. You can't stop possibly be hungry still. I know that if another treat fell, that you would eat it, but you can't possibly still be hungry, little guy. I don't think it's possible. Not for real. Kitty cat Saturday or Sunday morning. Kitty cat on a Sunday morning. And the snowflakes are starting to come down again. It stopped for a minute and there's some big fat fluffy ones out there. Scaredy cats. Scared of the sound of some tape or something. It's scary for them. Oh, good morning, Donna.
Morning.
Did you sleep good after your long ride from Idaho?
Oh, yes. Just fine.
How'd it
Forget where the
go?
glasses are.
Oh, that's right. believe that is the amazing water, yes.
How does it work?
I'm not sure.
I declined to wear mine, but we have to wear them on the same day.
Let's see it.
That is so
I have one just like that.
Turn it
This
around.
is the one I'm wearing today.
Catzilla.
Yay!
Well, it just looks like Zilla.
Adorable.
And that's like Cosmo. Yeah. And eat almost a whole can.
Eat the same as Wally, but she stays slim.
Yeah. And she's just always on that. I don't think she's ever been chubby kitty.
Mm-mm.
Now the dogs, on the other hand.
Lulu looked huge. Is she getting big?
Yeah, she's like.
Oh, but she's portly.
So
She looks like a little sausage with
Yeah.
legs.
They all have gained weight, but it's winter,
Yeah.
and they do
Yeah.
eat more. You know, because they're not running around outside.
Mm-hmm.
So when I'm outside, they're outside
Oh.
in the summertime. So they'll slim down. in the summer.
Yeah.
But it is funny. So Jared got on the scale. He weighs 147, and he weighed each dog. So the little it's Boo Boo, like the little Porky Pig. Yeah,
Boo boo,
he
yeah.
is 24 pounds,
Jeez.
and he is just solid chunk. Yeah, you know his little 3-inch.
Oh my
And
gosh.
then
So
Yogi
cute.
is 20 pounds, which is still pretty big for a Shih Tzu.
Wow.
I think Felice was about 19 pounds.
Yeah.
But Felice had longer legs. So these dogs have very short legs.
Yeah.
But, and then Lulu is 71 pounds. So that is too big for her. She needs to lose about. Initially, we'll try to get her down to 65. Then we'll try to get down to 60. We'll just do it slowly.
Yeah.
But, you know, she's on. I only give her a cup of food in the morning and a cup of food at night.
Yeah.
The problem is that Rochelle leaves
Oh.
their bowl, so the littles get to have their bowl by the refrigerator. Right. So it's where
littles.
everybody is.
Short
And-
stops.
And then Lulu, she'll come into the kitchen, she'll sniff around, and then she'll take a bite of their food and walk out.
Mm-hmm.
You know, so she's sneak eating all day
littles,
long.
yeah.
Oh, that's funny.
And, you know, it's like, when I'm home and the littles are, then I will put their food on the counter. So they're all going to go on a diet.
Well,
They're well-loved puppy dogs.
So usually just one meal a day, taking all my supplements. It's just frustrating. I'm like,
I have to cut my own hair.
it'll grow eventually.
Yeah, it's just, but we're gonna do juicing every day, cause yeah.
Idaho, it costs $3 for a sweet potato.
Whoa.
And you're like, you're kidding. So, because anything I can get at half price. You know? So now I just got to drill holes and
Yeah.
do that. So I will do some potatoes in the buckets.
Cool.
But sweet potatoes need 9 months of heat,
Yeah. Yeah.
sunny heat. And we have about
That's where the
3 or
greenhouse
4
is gonna come
months.
in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Some potatoes that we bought at Costco. And they're in. So I have my 3 little greenhouses. I sent you a picture growing.
Mm-hmm.
As soon as they start growing, then I can put them in some dirt.
Okay.
Full of Okinawan
Ooh.
sweet potato slips. They're just the potatoes.
Cause
Yeah.
it's like all those leaves and oh we have something and I got little tiny I'm like
Well, and those little tinies will still grow. So
Oh,
I
okay.
accidentally left itty bitty red potatoes in. You know, so I reuse all the dirt.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
it's so expensive. Potatoes growing out of it.
Oh, it won't matter. That's great.
It's just funny. So, say in the middle of the dead winter,
Mm-hmm.
there's not. But
Well, and that's why where we were going, it's insulated inside. So
just grow a little tree
absolutely.
and keep it small and.
Yep, I'm gonna have some kind of trees because it'll be a really big one. So I want a couple of trees in there.
They just have to have the
Yeah.
heat.
Mm-hmm. We're gonna do juice that.
Yeah, who did that?
Oh shit, I doesn't have time, but culture things, so I'm gonna show you. I'm a little busy, there's different things you can do.
Probably because there's more moisture.
Totally coming apart.
They got second breakfast. Wallingford really gets into that bowl, making sure it's clean. I love the glass bowl so you can see their mouth. Not yet, Wallingford. Have patience, little boy. Zilla walks away while he always does the cleanup. Check his bowl one last time. Oh, he did still have something in there. He knew Zilla wouldn't go and lick his bowl. She's like, no, I don't want that bowl.
Yeah, I have the one that I got for outside.
He's a good boy.
This is what I said.
Oh, he's locked out of the office, but he wants to go check it out. Still waiting. To come back for more. Circling around the kitchen, little kitchen sharks. Well, I hope everybody has a great day. I think it's time for me to say sayonara. Have a good one. Thanks for being here. Enjoy the fire. This candle smells really good. It's called spiced pumpkin. So it kind of smells like, Thanksgiving or Christmas or whatever. It's real nice. All right. Take care, everybody.